I don't know what is this.
It's meat.
No, what kind of meat? Crocodile or what?
Pork. Pork.
Pork?
Also pork. Me only.
Chicken better for me.
Chicken. What yun? Chicken.
Chicken.
And
For you, I don't know what you want. Maybe you want this worm.
not pork.
I know, it's joke only. Up to you. I want chicken. For you, also want chicken. Do chicken. Worm, you don't want worm, yes?
I got Take out.
Take out. You know.
10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay. What you want?
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Malay Philippines. It's Saturday, 5 p.m. afternoon. We're here in CDC Park food court and we're planning to eat together with some chicken barbecue with rice. So let's take a look the place here and we're gonna tour you all place here, what better and what good place here. Let's go.
You work here. You can ask maybe that. Something.
Hi guys, we're here already here in Clark and we already also buy some
Yes, it's chicken.
barbecue.
How much you paid? 100.
150.
This is 151 pieces with already with rice and meat. This is meat.
So it's total 300 pesos. And I have this
For Christmas.
it's 85 pesos, but you can buy it for 150. Buy one take one. But you cannot drink cold, so I bought only one.
Yes, because I have problem
So you can use this
little
one,
bit.
the pet for your hand. It's like this, you use.
I know, shy.
And of course this one.
What is this?
It's ketchup.
This is ketchup. I will show
It's ketchup.
this ketchup, yes.
Maybe they think it's blood. Maybe you want to change. It's not okay. Have legs
Change?
also here.
No, legs is okay.
And legs.
Yes. Good. Change. Today so many people already come to the park. This is CDC Park. CDC Park is center of Clark. Center of Clark, yes?
Center
of Clark.
Or no, it's the center of
Pampanga.
Clark.
I want to say many people after work in the Clark who workers in the Clark about 5 p.m. 5 evening go to the park and sit and eat also. Many girls also, yes, many girls and
Not only many girls.
no,
so
not
have
only
Also,
yes, who work in the Clark, yes.
most of here is family. They go here.
Family
At
is
3.
only Sunday,
Ah,
but
not-
I say it at weekdays, evening. So many people who work in the Clark, they go to the park and sit and eat
Oh,
also,
maybe
like
not.
no after work.
After work.
After work,
Okay, maybe
yes.
it's 10 o'clock.
No 10, not 10 o'clock, maybe 5.
It's 5 o'clock. It's just only in middle of us. It's in the center of already Bertapil. It's part of a Clark here. So most of the worker there, not here, this part.
But
Because it's only-
if you go to park, I always see so many girls sit and they eat
Because they go here
about 5 p.m.
5 p.m. So also so many foreigners also go here for work because they
Foreigners.
work here.
Foreigner works? Who foreigner works? Foreigner not work here.
They work
Foreigner? In company?
company in my new work right now. So they own the chocolate company I said to you, right?
Shaira, can you explain about your work?
So I already resigned in McDonald's in MacArthur, Mabalacat, and right now I work in La Rose Noye. They said it's a
In the Clark,
it's
yes?
in Clark. It's a company of a pastries, chocolate cakes, and macarons. So it's good work also, but you need to sacrifice some time, sacrifice like more time to more achieve some good work like this.
And you say it very cold in your work,
Seem
yes?
like you're in freezer.
Same like in refrigerator, yes?
No, more
Cold there, more cold.
Same.
No, you said 15 degree, yes? 15
It's
degree.
minimum,
Minimum 50.
but the maximum it's more 15.
So maybe 10. And how you work if cold?
I use like same t-shirt.
Or you use only t-shirt about and only t-shirt and
Have like only cover in my face here, so it's more cold. So you need to
not
stand.
easy to work if cold.
It's okay. If
Ye-
you're working, you cannot feel the cold. But if you're not, you can feel it. So you need to work.
And how long time you work?
8 hours.
From 8 hours.
Yes.
From what?
From,
time?
It's depend on your schedule. Maybe if you're morning, we need 6 o'clock to 2 p.m.
From 6
to 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
But
From morning.
yes, afternoon it's 2 p.m. to 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
and then 10 p.m. to 6 p.m.
But you said foreigner also work in your company?
Yes. So
So
many
from
foreigner.
which country?
Europe?
I?
Europe.
No, Europe is not country.
It's-
what country?
Because the owner is from I don't know, it's from Germany. Because it's,
So owner also foreigner.
yes.
But what they do it foreigner in the company? Like boss or they
Boss,
also
of course,
worker?
no, he can create some food like this and then he will sell to another country. Not here in Philippines, you cannot see.
So you do it some chocolate
yes.
products,
And-
not for Philippines, only
No.
for another
Mhm.
country. Yes,
But the original placed in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Mhm. They have business there and they already plan to have company here. That's why they already built here
Mm.
and they have already two company here.
To company.
Yes, it's near. The one is near SM.
Mhm.
Near, so you can walk but a little bit far, and then the other one it's near my work before.
I know.
It's near before. It's near Bamban, like in Bamban Bridge. It's already near there. So let's eat. already.
But you wait. You said you already work at training in the company.
Mhm.
So you say it very cold and many people don't want to work. Yes, you said to me before.
Before, because maybe they cannot already. or
We
maybe
try to work and
Mhm.
we say it very cold and cannot continue work.
Mhm,
Yes,
because it's cold. The reason
because
it's
cold. Yes, but for you it's okay cold.
If I'm busy, it's okay.
But now you said you have already problem with health. You say after cold.
It's because I have injured in my neck before.
So you
That's why I can
you
feel
think it's
healthy.
okay if you can work?
It's okay.
Okay, Shaira, you can start to eat.
So let's go to eat.
Yes,
So
I
eat.
will also eat. I bought this lamp. It's good for take video and have you can see all. Because if without lamp, maybe so dark. With lamp is better.
Take a look. So many ants.
No, so many ants. Of course, we in the outside. Yes, so many ants.
Okay.